In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line break in a Smartsheet cell. Have you ever found yourself needing to separate information within a single cell to keep your data organized and easy to read? Maybe you're tracking tasks or managing a project, and you want to add additional notes or details right there in the cell without cluttering everything up with more rows. Well, you're in luck, because I'm here to walk you through exactly how to do that using a simple, built-in function that Smartsheet offers. Let's dive into the process. Suppose you're working away on a project in Smartsheet, and you have a list of tasks. You want to add some notes directly in the same cell for context, but you don't want everything to be jumbled together, making it hard to decipher. The trick here is to utilize a manual line break within that cell. Think of it as a way to start a fresh line without having to move to a new cell. This is a handy way to keep your information neat and well organized. Now, here's how you can achieve this. First, you'll want to click into the cell where you wish to add your line break. Start typing as you normally would, and when you reach the point where you'd like to start a new line, there's a simple key combination you can use. If you're on a Windows computer, press Alt and Enter at the same time. For those of you on a Mac, you'll do the same, but with the Option and Enter keys. By doing this, you're instructing Smartsheet to create a new line within that same cell, just like how it works in Excel. It might take a little practice to get used to the idea that you can create separate lines in the same space, but once you do, it's a game changer. You'll find your information is much easier to follow and update without needing to scroll through endless rows or struggle to keep related details together. Remember, this technique is particularly useful if you're dealing with complex data sets or simply want to add clarity to your sheets. By manually breaking lines within cells, you're ensuring that your sheets remain streamlined and your workflow stays efficient. It really is that simple. Just click, type, and when you're ready for a new line, use Alt plus Enter on Windows or Option plus Enter on Mac. Mastering this simple trick will undoubtedly level up your Smartsheet experience, saving you time and effort in managing your projects. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this little tip improves your day-to-day tasks in Smartsheet. Happy organizing!